In this course, we'll help you master the 5 principles of facilitation. We'll mainly focus on creative facilitation, but keep in mind that these principles can also apply to facilitating sessions for agile planning, training, and business process transformation. So no matter your context, these principles will help you guide your team towards success. With that in mind, I present to you the 5 principles of facilitation. Own the experience, maintain neutrality, enable collaboration, control the climate, and use abstraction. The first 2 principles pertain to your mindset as a facilitator, and the last 3 principles pertain to the environment you create for those participating in the sessions. These principles act as a foundation so that later on you can add your unique personality and problem-specific activities to the experience. As we go along, I'll provide in-depth explanations of each principle and provide effective practices to help you get your mind in the right headspace so that you can build and facilitate a more creative and collaborative discussion. Okay, no time to waste. We've got problems to solve and ideas to surface. Let's get going.